welcome to Trademen tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to add a new crypto coin in Trademen system. Before doing that, we must be logged in as super admin. So let's log in first. After logging in, we need to click on Create New Coin under Coin Management tab from the menu bar, and it takes us to Coin Creation form. Very first field is for selecting a coin type, and we are going to select cryptocurrency here. The next one is for coin symbol. We are adding Doge for now, and the coin name will be Dogecoin. Then we can select a coin emoji here, or we can ignore it as it's optional. Now here we can switch these options to enable these coins active status, exchange status, and the deposit status. We can also set system deposit fee here. I'm leaving it as it is. Now switching withdrawal status to active so that user can be able to withdraw this coin to outside address. Then setting minimum withdrawal amount, daily withdrawal limit, and withdrawal fee. The last one is selecting API service. I'm going to select coin payments as I want this coin to interact with coin payments. Now hit submit button to add this coin in the system. The coin has been created successfully.